Using your SpinWave Cordless is easy. We'll show you how. Start by making sure there is enough water and solution in the water tank before use. Then you will want to make sure you're using the correct mop pads for the job. The soft touch pads are great for delicate flooring like sealed hardwood and laminate. For those tough, sticky messes, the Scrubby Pads are perfect to help power through them. For best cleaning results, sweep or vacuum the floor surface prior to use to avoid scratching or damaging your floors from sharp debris. Recline the body backward. Press the on-off button to start the rotating mop pads. Each time you recline your SpinWave, you will need to press the on button for the pads to rotate. You may feel a slight vibration at first. Wait a few seconds for the mop pads to adjust themselves. To start cleaning, push the spray button to dispense the solution. It will only spray when the button is being pressed. Solution will spray out of the nozzle on the front of the foot. Be sure not to over-wet the floor, especially on wood and other delicate floor surfaces. For more difficult stuck-on messes, spray solution directly on the mess and line up one of the mop pads to the mess. Move the pad over the mess and slowly move the machine back and forth. Continue to spray solution as needed. To turn off the unit, press the power button and put it into an upright position. The LED lights will turn off. We hope the SpinWave Cordless took care of all your hard surface messes.